Hola and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to work with our upper body. We're going to work on getting that mobility in the chest and the upper back. We're going to work on beautiful hands and fluid arms, all in the rhythm of Solea, and this will be available for beginners through advanced dancers. And if you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. We come out with new videos every week, and be sure to check out all the different resources in the description with free classes, one-off courses, and a free trial to my Online Flamenco Studio, where we learn how to speak, feel, and dance flamenco. Ole, let's begin. So before we actually begin our drills in Solea, let's go over a few things. So first off, we want to have the proper upper body placement. So here, if our arms are up, we are extending our rib cage here, but you don't want to stick your butt out. So you want to make sure that you're tucked under as you lift up your arms, and you want to keep your upper back engaged as we have our arms up. Okay, so just the proper placement first. So we have our arms out and the arms are rounded, so you're kind of holding a beach ball, so they're not going to be flat and you're not going to have chicken arms. So no flat, no chicken arms. We want to keep that beach ball. Hold on to that beach ball, even when you're up here. And especially when you're up here, that you are, lifting up the abs and the shoulders are down, the upper back, the scapula are engaged, they're coming down, right? And you want to keep your hips slightly tucked under so you protect that lower back. All right, so that's the placement of the arms. And now with our hands, when we do our hands, remember that the movement is coming from the wrist. So it's not just the fingers, right? You want to have the wrist engaged, and that you are not moving the forearm. So you are moving the wrist and the forearm is still. And just a quick review of what our hands are. You're going in, starting with the pinky, and you are bending at the wrist. You're flipping around, and then you're opening, and in, around, and open, and in, around, and open. And then the other direction, again with the pinkies, with the palms are forward, around, bending at the wrist, open and flip, bend at the wrist, and bend at the wrist. All right, so we are going to do different combinations with our arms down, out, and up, and then arm down from the side and up through the center, out through the down, and up through the center. And then we're going to be alternating with our going in and out. And now we will practice to the rhythm, to the palo of Solea, which is a 12 count, but luckily we will start on the 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's start. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out, 8, 9, 10, and 12, and 3 in, 4, 5, 6, out, now arms out, and 2, chest. And keep the hips under. And in. Again. Open. And up. Out. Shake it out for one little second. All right, we're going to do that whole combination again, a little bit faster. Okay. In, 3, 4, 5, 6, and out. 9, 10, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And in, 4, 5, 6, and out, 10, 11, 12, and in, 3, 4, 5, 6, and out. One more round, and down, and out, and up, out. Okay, and open. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And open. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Another round slow. Thanks for joining me in today's class. If you are ready to deep dive into your flamenco practice with me, I invite you to join me inside my Online Flamenco Studio, which is my monthly membership with over 60 video courses for new beginners all the way through advanced dancers. And we really expound on the way I love to teach, which is all about speaking, feeling, and dancing flamenco. Now, inside the membership, I have courses in technique, choreography, and flamenco theory. There is a wonderful community of dancers from all around the world in our members-only Facebook group. We have regular monthly challenges and practice lessons for everyone. So if you're interested in checking that out, be sure to sign up for that free trial. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next lesson.